Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you're all good. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Feather Gap, People and Places. So this is chapter number 13th, our classroom. So जब आप अपने classroom में जाते हो, what do you see? Where does the teacher teach you? The teacher teaches you in the classroom, right? Where does the teacher write? The teacher writes on the blackboard. And what things do you have in a classroom? Have you ever noticed it? आपने कभी ध्यान दिया है कि आपके क्लासरूम में क्या क्या चीजें होती है? आप जाओ और देखना कि क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं और क्या क्या चीजें आप अपने लाइफ में अपनी क्लासरूम से यूज करते हो. It is your blackboard, it can be a chart, it can be anything. So a teacher helps you to teach in the class, and in this chapter we will study that what are the things present in the classroom. So इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि हमारी क्लासरूम में क्या क्या होता है. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. I hope you are ready with your book. The teacher teaches us in the classroom. So who teaches us in the classroom? The teacher. Our classroom is airy and well lit. So जो हमारे classrooms होते हैं उसमें बहुत सारी windows होती हैं, बहुत सारी lights होती हैं ताकि आप अच्छे से पढ़ सको, वहाँ पे ventilation अच्छे से हो. Now it has lights and fans. So आपको गर्मी ना लगे और आपको कुछ देखने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो, there are a lot of lights and fans. We sit on the bench in the classroom. So every classroom has benches like this. सब classroom में benches होती हैं जिसके ऊपर हम बैठते हैं and we study from there. We keep our books on the desk. So there are some desks also where we could keep our books and study. There is table and chair for the teacher. So in front of you, आपके सामने एक टेबल होता है, साथ में चेयर होती है where the teacher sits and teaches you, right? So this is a classroom. It has a blackboard, it has the chair and the table for the teacher. It has desks for the students and benches where you can sit and study. Now, there is a blackboard on the wall. So you have seen that in your classroom there is a blackboard on the wall. The teacher writes on it with the chalk. So जो teacher होती है वो chalk से जो है उस blackboard पे आपको पढ़ाती है ना. We put up maps and charts on the wall. So जो charts होते हैं और maps होते हैं हम वो किस पे लगाते हैं? Wall पे लगा देते हैं. There is a cupboard for the books and pencils. So आपने देखा होगा हर क्लास में एक छोटी सी cupboard होती है where the class teacher keeps its books and the pencils and pen. There is a dustbin also. Every classroom has a dustbin क्योंकि जब बहुत ज़्यादा गंद होता है what do? We throw litter in the dustbin, right? So we should not loiter here around. We should throw the things into the garbage into the dustbin. So हमें चीजें इधर उधर नहीं फेंकनी चाहिए, हमेशा डस्टबिन में ही सारा गंद डालना चाहिए. So we throw waste paper in it. So डस्टबिन में क्या फेंका जाता है? जो वेस्ट पेपर होता है खराब हो जाता है. We keep our classroom neat and clean. और this is how we keep our classrooms very neat and clean. So हमें जो है हमें क्लासरूम अपने जहाँ पे हम पढ़ते हैं हमें वो जगह हमेशा साफ सुथरी रखनी चाहिए. So we should all never throw any dirt in the classroom and we should keep it neat and clean. Now we have done the chapter, we will do the activity. Assess yourself. Pick the correct answer first. There is a cupboard for our clothes. No, it is at our house. It is for books. Yes, the cupboard in the classroom is for books. Second, the teacher writes on the teacher writes on the blackboard. We sit on the dash in the classroom. We sit on the bench, desk or table. No, we sit on the bench. Fill in the blanks. So these are words given. You have to fill it here. First, we keep our books on the. हम अपनी books किस पे रखते हैं? We keep it on the desk. Second, the teacher teaches us in the. Where does a teacher teaches us? So we have learned that the teacher teaches us in the classroom. CLASSROOM, room. We throw paper into the dash. We throw paper into the dustbin. DUSTBIN, bin, dustbin. Now answer the following questions. Where does the teacher teach you? Teacher कहाँ पे पढ़ाती है? The teacher teaches us in the classroom. हमें teachers हमारी classroom में पढ़ाती हैं. The teacher teaches us in the classroom. Second, हाउ डज टीचर राइट ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड? टीचर्स ब्लैक बोर्ड पे कैसे लिखती हैं? द टीचर राइट्स ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड, टीचर्स राइट ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड विद द चॉक। जो टीचर्स होती हैं दे राइट विद द चॉक ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, वेयर डू यू पुट अप मैप्स एंड चार्ट्स? जो मैप्स और चार्ट्स होते हैं वो कहाँ पे लगाए जाते हैं? दे आर पुट अप ऑन द वॉल। वी पुट अप मैप्स एंड चार्ट्स ऑन द वॉल। Where, what is the dustbin used for? Fourth question is कि dustbin किस लिए use किया जाता है? The dustbin is used for throwing waste paper. जो dustbin होता है वो waste paper को throw करने के लिए use किया जाता है। So this is your complete exercise. So we have completed the chapter. You can watch it again. You can do the exercise with by rewinding the video. If you have any problem, you see the video again. आपको कोई problem है तो आप video फिर से देखो. Thank you so much. Happy learning.